Making the most of spare moments. Understanding time to kill. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating phrase, time to kill. This phrase is commonly used in English, but what does it really mean? Let's dive in and find out. Time to kill is an idiomatic expression used in English to refer to a situation where someone has free time or spare moments that they need to fill with some activity. This phrase does not mean something violent. Instead, it's about finding ways to use your unexpected or extra time. For example, if you arrive early for a meeting and have 30 minutes to spare, you might say, "I have some time to kill before the meeting starts." Understanding the origins of phrases can often help in remembering them. The phrase, time to kill, likely comes from the notion of killing time, or making time pass faster when one has nothing specific to do. It's an informal way of saying that you have time you need to use up in some manner. Now, let's look at how to use this phrase in everyday conversation. Here are a few examples. 1. Waiting for a friend. I arrived early at the cafe and had some time to kill, so I read a magazine. 2. Traveling. Our flight was delayed, and we had a couple of hours to kill at the airport. 3. Casual conversation. Do you have any time to kill this afternoon? Maybe we can grab a coffee. It's important not to confuse time to kill with negative or violent connotations. Remember, it's all about finding ways to use spare time. Also, this phrase is mostly used in informal settings. And that's a wrap on time to kill. We hope this video helps you understand and use this phrase confidently in your conversations. Remember, learning a language is all about understanding the little nuances that make it special. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.